Good morning. I'm going to share a little closer look at my organizer, some little things I'm working on, and my new IKEA, what is it, a little box organizer. Okay, so this is the little wood. Oh, Thomas is here to say hi. Hi, buddy. Coming through. So this is the little organizer I made. I had this smaller version one over there with my monitor and things on. Hi, buddy. Thomas is getting over a cold. He had a little, okay? He had a little cold in his eye. Okay, so I made a little bit longer one because I made some changes to my space. And this bookshelf used to be on like the little cabinet it comes with, which was here. And I put in this little wardrobe armoire piece. So I brought the bookshelf back over to my desk, which it has been in this space before, like on my desk. I think my desk was turned a different direction and was on the end, but I sort of just wanted something that was one additional piece because I had a few pieces there before. So I just made another one. It's a really simple, I believe it's 1 by 10 and 1 by 6 pieces of wood. And I just have them cut them for me at Home Depot. Sometimes I cut them at home, but my little saw thingy, chop saw, I think is what it's called. I think the 1 by 10 is definitely too wide for it. So anyways, but a lot of my things I just kind of cut and make it home. Look at Tom. He is really wanting to be a love bug. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, the girls haven't seen you in a while. All right, so let me show you. I changed the little card in my Hobonichi 2002 cover. This year I went with a solid color cover, and I thought I would enjoy that a little more so that I can change what I put inside the cover to give, instead of keep changing my actual cover out and putting my Hobonichi into different planner covers. I was thinking I can just change and put a different little insert in here and there, and maybe that will give me the little feel of something new and different. I'll show you a little peek inside. These little cats, I think they're called like Joy. Sometimes I see like Cato and Joy. I just love them. And then I have another one. These are cards, and I just kind of use them as my inserts, and I add usually more stickers and things. And then what's in my 2021 Hobonichi, then I'll put like those things in here when here in another week or so, like stamps and stuff like that that I utilize and stuff more. In the back I have a weekly, and I'll probably use that as like a little tracker. I added the little tabs, and these tabs I got are from Traveler's Notebook, like a little insert. You can get them on jet pins, this particular one, if they're not sold out yet with other stickers. I think I got mine from another like little online stationery shop when I was ordering. Okay, so these are like the little cards, and then I sort of just kind of cut them and use them other ways. All right, Thomas, so let's get started on the little box. Oh, let me share with you guys. So today, if you can hear that background music, it's Disney Peaceful Piano Holiday Christmas, which is a little nice and lovely, and real enjoyable. My little tea today is candy cane tea and this cute little teacup. I love the ones with the lids to help keep your tea or coffee nice and warm. I got this as a little gift from a sweet friend of mine for Christmas. I thought that's so adorable, and the color is so cute. Thank you, Shirley. Okay, so moving along. Okay, so this little box, it opens up. It's from IKEA. They're $29. Thomas, you like that? If you do these a little tighter, you can get it where it just kind of stays. I guess that's enough. Or it can stay up if you want, or pull it down. The little lip to open them is this way. I'm gonna flip that around. I sort of like it this way when I open to see what's inside there. And I'm gonna try and find some really thin little hinges and just put on one side, so that way when I open that up, let me go back here for you. I can have that just where it sort of stays up and grab the little goodies and things like that out. See, you can see that if you leave it on this side, like the opening, this is sort of blocking you, so I just flip it like this and open it like that. The little, so you can see why a little hinge would be nice, just like on one side, a real little thin hinge, just so that can stay open for you. It also has these little dividers in it, and these remove the little dividers. And then down below, you have like lots of space. You can hold an A5, this is a standard size right here, long ways tucked under. And then my Hobonichi techo, and some other little goodies down in here. But it can even hold more, and so that's why I was going to show you. I can put in also my standard size traveler insert. I could add another Hobonichi techo, just so you can see like the thickness. No problem. I might be showing you guys a little too close. And again, you could see like with this closed, if you had the hinges, how nice it would be to just sort of open and be able to utilize and get your little items, or leave them both open if you had wanted to. And then same here, a little hard one-handed. And if you just kind of want to leave that open, you can paint them. Probably best to paint it before you build it. I think I was just going to kind of leave mine, maybe add some stickers. I'm not real sure how I want to utilize mine. Right now it has my planner stuff. It could end up with sewing stuff. I could end up with another one for other items. I'm not sure, but it's really cute, and for $29, it's a good price and functional for like a lot of different things. So I wanted to show you guys on this side when I was saying, so you can kind of just see how much thickness of, this is like my Hobonichi right now, which is pretty thick. And this is a standard wide size Foxy Fix that's in here. So it held that with this one on top of it, which is pretty nice and thick also, with also a little sticker booklet. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. My little washi strips, booklets, and some little goodies. That's cute. Some little ephemera. Okay, so there's a little look And then you can always take these little tops just off and work from it. And you actually don't even have to keep like your planners or traveler's notebooks and things inside here. You can keep other stamps and inks and things like that you're working on, and just bring a little tote bag for these types of items. So this could be just like a little working kit with like all those types of items like inks and stamps and markers and tags and tickets and all that kind of good little stuff. I'll show you my little drawer here. This was, I figured I gotta put my little Lotso away. This was one of my projects I had been working on to start getting things a little more organized and a little more accessible, like user-friendly. Okay, so that is the new little IKEA organizer I got. I will put a link in the info little section so you can click and just go right to it. But it is a great little price, a great little grab and go, or you know, to work from organizer. And let's see, Thomas, hi. Do you have anything to say or share? I could see your eyes a little still, like you have a hint cold, buddy. Thank you for coming in and joining us. And you were so good too. Okay, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas from Thomas too. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video of a quick little look at that cute little organizer. And I'm gonna kind of play with it and see how I'm gonna organize my little goodies inside. But I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of sort of like what it holds and maybe a little way to utilize it. So, okay, well, thanks so much for joining. Merry Christmas.